Standing on the railroad tracks. What's left of them, you can see the big holes on this side. You can see straight ahead of me where the railroad is completely washed away to nothing. Flooding through Fairgrounds Park, September 13th, 2013. This area is usually just kind of a low-lying area where there's lakes and lagoons, some flow during the year. So you can see that it has become the second part of the river. Right now, there's a look back at those rapids that I was looking at when I was standing over there. Go ahead and zoom in on in, and you can see some of the damage that's transpired or is transpiring. See where the railroad's been completely destroyed. The railroad's kind of shaking as I stand here. And it's freaking me out. I'm not gonna lie to you. Water going through here. Railroad crossing sign. Flashing over there. I think it's confused. Unlike the rest of this area. Astronomical amount of water. Fairgrounds Park in Loveland, Colorado, September 13th, 2013.